This video you are watching is not real. I made a clone of myself, and I'll show you how to do this in less than 5 minutes. Now, the first thing you want to do is train the AI. We'll be using this secret tool, which I'll be disclosing to you before the end of the video. And guys, don't be scared. You're not writing any code or anything related to that. It's just very simple, drag and drop. You just need a video of yourself to get started. Yep, I'm going to share the secret website very soon, so just watch till the end of this video. I'm going to share the website where you'll be cloning yourself. Now, my name is Charles and I help people and businesses grow. I try out things online and I share it with you in this channel if they work. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and drop AI in the comment section. Just write in the comment section, I like what you showed me. Or just drop some comment in the comment section. All right, after you have made a video of yourself, you need to upload it on this secret website. The first thing you need to do is to make a video of yourself, because the AI is going to, is going to use your video and learn from the video that you upload, the video that you feed to it. So the first thing that you do is to record a video of yourself, or if you have a video, you can just use that video and train the AI, or maybe the video of the person that you want to clone. Now, what we are going to do is to come to this secret website and click on get started for free, and you can start cloning yourself for free. You don't need to make any form of payment. Click on get started for free, and then it's going to take you to where you're going to sign up. What you're going to do is to add if you have an account, you can sign in, but if you don't have an account, you click on sign up with your email. And then once you click sign up, you put your email here, and then they're going to send a verification code to your email address. Then you verify the account and then log into your account. Now I'm going to log into my account. So I'm logged into my account. Now we want to train this AI. The next thing we need to do is to create an avatar. So we can create an avatar from just simply cloning or training the AI on our video. So we are going to click on free instant avatar, and then click on get started, which is next. So click on get started. It's going to talk to the next one, and then prefer text instructions. Click next, and then you can see, read this. This is very important. Submit at least 2 minutes of footage. Use high resolution camera. Record in a well-lit, quiet environment. So the environment should have enough light, and then look directly into the camera, and also with your mouth closed. Very important. Use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. So use generic gestures and try to keep your hands below your chest. And things to avoid: there should be no stitches or cuts on your footage. So talking without pauses, changing positions while recording, loud background noise, shadows and overexposure on your face, diverting your gaze or looking around, hand gestures above the chest. So those things shouldn't be there. So the next thing you want to do is to go to next, and then upload a footage. So you either upload a video or you record directly from your webcam. So you can train the AI just with your webcam on your laptop. Now what we are going to do is to upload a footage. We are going to drag and upload here, and you can see it has to be less than 2 gig. So we are going to drag this video and we're going to upload it here. As you can see, it has gotten the video. Now for an optimal, more realistic avatar, please confirm your video meets these requirements. Your face is visible at all time. I clicked it. You're looking directly into the camera. I've clicked it. Yes, I was looking directly into the camera. There are pauses between sentences. Yes. The environment is well lit and quiet. Yes. And then my footage looks good. You're going to click on it and then record a consent. So you have to, give them consent to use your video for creating an avatar. Don't be scared. So we're going to do this now. I'm going to click on this. Turn on cam and mic. I'm going to click on it. Allow. So I'm going to, record myself. And then we're going to click on start recording. And yes. I, Learn with Charles, hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen account. Click on stop, and then you can see here that your consent is good. Submit, and then your video is uploading. You have to wait for your video to upload for them to, you know, properly generate a very good avatar for you. So now you're training the AI. You can see how simple it is training the AI. You just have to wait for this to upload. The reason for this is that the AI would need that video to learn your body movements or the movement of the person that you want to clone, and for it to, you know, to properly mimic the gestures of that person. So let's just wait for this to be complete. All right, it has finished learning. You can see that it has created an avatar, but it's not that clear. Let's see. Let's click on check it out. You can see, congrats, your avatar is ready. So this is my avatar, and any video I create, this would be how it's going to be showing. Now let's click on next. Click on next. Let's click on got it. Our avatar is ready. Let's see. So this is amazing that you can have a clone of yourself. What you need to do is just write out your script or record an audio version or an audio, you know, an audio recording and upload it. Now let's create a video and click on landscape. If you want to do a mobile version, use portrait mode, but I'm going to use landscape because I'm creating a YouTube video. Now you can see here, we can add a text script. You can add a script here, or we upload an audio recording. So we can upload an audio recording here, or we use a text script to write. So for example, we can write something here. Let's say we're going to write something here. We're going to say, this video you are watching is not real. It's not real. I made a clone of myself. So let's say self, and I'll show you less than 5 minutes. So now what we can do is to upload an audio transcript, but I don't want to upload an audio transcript because I want to show you how to do it. I'm going to just, you know, use this right up, and then I'm going to choose a voice. I'm going to select a voice. Let's play the script. Okay, let's play it.
This video you are watching is not real. I made a clone of myself, and I'll show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. This video you are watching is not real. I made a clone of myself, and I'll show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes.
So you see the voice is somewhat close to my own voice, but I didn't get it properly. So if you want to do this yourself, if you want your own voice, you can just record it and then use it for the video. But you're going to use this voice like this. So if you want to change the avatar, you can just click here to change avatar, or click here to change the avatar, or, you know, change text or add elements or do some form of editing to the video. But I'm not doing that. What I'm going to do is to submit the video. Let's see what comes out. We're going to click on submit, and we're going to wait. Click on submit. This video you are watching is not real. I made a clone of myself, and I'll show you how to do this in less than 5 minutes. And you can see how easy it is cloning yourself. So this is a great strategy. If you don't have time to create content, you can just clone yourself and then write scripts or just record the audio and then put out content. And you can use this for yourself, for your business, affiliate marketing, anything you want to do. You can also use it for cloning, you know, other people. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I'm going to leave some helpful links in the description. Check it out. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'm going to see you in this other video.